Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to make anime in Infinity Craft. Let's get started. First things first, take water. Then take water again. It will make lake. Then take fire on other side. Then add fire to it. It will make volcano. Then add volcano to lake. It will make island. Then add island to it. It will make continent. Then take earth on other side. Then add earth to it. It will make mountain. Then add mountain to continent. It will make Asia. Then add island to it. It will make Japan. Then take water on other side. Then add fire to it. It will make steam. Then add steam to Japan. It will make anime. Voila! And that's how you make anime in Infinite Craft. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Infinite Craft videos. Thanks for watching.